Hello beautiful people, my name is Juliet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making a very quick video of how to make Nigerian stew. Here, as you can see, I've already started making it, and I thought, why not show my beautiful people how I made this delicious stew. You might not know it's delicious, but trust me, it's really delicious. So as you can see here, I have vegetable oil, tomato paste, which is also tin tomatoes, and sliced onions. I'll let this dry, keep stirring to avoid burnt. When you see that it's getting brown, you put your tomato paste. Don't let it burn. Mine burnt because I had divided attention and I didn't put it on a low heat. And for my tomatoes, I blended tomatoes, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and ginger, which is very important in my stew, and garlic. It gives your stew a whole new smell, like the taste, the aroma. Wow, it's unbeatable. And I let it cook for 10 minutes. And I went in with my fried meat. Usually I will dry my meat with the oven, but today I decided to use vegetable oil. And I went in with chicken spice, beef spice, curry, salt, and Maggi cubes. Thyme, another thyme, and stock from cooking my meat. And I stir it together. At this time, oh come on, where are you going? You're not going anywhere, no escaping from me. At this time, it was on a low heat. Look at us, look at that. It looks so delicious already. The red bell pepper makes it really red with the tomato paste, which is also known as tin tomatoes. And I cover on a low heat for 20 minutes and it's ready. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, of course. Bye.